Hey guys, I'm Uddhav from Indian FTC Team Alphas 19343. This is the first installment of my FTC Java programming course on YouTube. And this video will be a short introduction to FTC programming and coding and making use of Android Studio. We will cover how to download Android Studio, creating a fork of the GitHub repository, and creating your own coding template. I'll be making more videos covering the multiple facets of teleop coding, from simple components such as the server to more advanced topics such as finite state machines. I'll also be including some basic information as well as some tricks and ways to utilize the code to make it as efficient as possible. First, let's start off by downloading and setting up Android Studio. Simply search up Android Studio in your search bar and you'll come to this page and download whatever is the latest model. So I already downloaded Android Studio, so I'm not going to be doing this part. All right, so now we're going to want to download the FTC GitHub repository. So all we need to do is search up FTC SDK, head to this first link. So basically, this is going to give us the template for coding. It's going to include all our libraries and classes. So next, we want to fork this to basically create our own copy. So we just create this fork. And here we go. This is our own copy of the model. So next, let's go to Android Studio. It's going to look a little bit different for you guys, but basically what you're going to want to find is get from version control. So just search around a little bit and find this option, get from version control. And here we want to paste the URL of our GitHub repository. So our fork GitHub repository. Let's take this and let's clone it. So for me, I've already done this process. For you, it'll create the actual GitHub repository and it'll show up in this form. For you guys, it'll show up like this without any of this code. So where we're going to do the majority of our coding is in this part, in this second Java, underneath org.versions files at FTC team code. So here we're going to learn how to code, basically. All right, so now you have all the tools you need to start coding for FTC. Best of luck and stay tuned. There are many more videos to come. This is Uddhav from Team 19343 signing off.